Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study PSC at home, step by step. First, thoroughly understand the exam syllabus and pattern. This foundational step ensures you know exactly what to prepare for. Next, create a realistic daily study schedule, allocating specific times for each subject. Finally, gather all your essential study materials and resources, ensuring you have everything you need before you begin your focused preparation. Once you have your plan, it's time to master effective study techniques. Break down complex topics into smaller, manageable parts to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Actively recall information and use spaced repetition to significantly improve your memory and retention. Remember to take short, regular breaks, perhaps every 45 to 60 minutes, to keep your mind fresh and maintain high levels of focus throughout your study sessions. Consistent practice is crucial for success. Regularly solve previous year's question papers to understand the exam structure and common question types. Take mock tests under timed conditions to simulate the actual exam environment, helping you manage your time effectively. After each test, thoroughly review your answers, focusing on identifying areas where you need further improvement. This targeted approach will strengthen your weak points. Finally, maintaining your well-being is just as important as studying. Ensure you get adequate sleep each night, aiming for 7 to 8 hours to keep your mind sharp. Incorporate some physical activity into your daily routine, even a short walk, to reduce stress. Stay positive, believe in your preparation, and remember that consistent effort will lead to success. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.